Yes, hello YouTube family. Hope you're all doing well wherever you're watching from. And this is your boy Sam once again in another video on this channel. So, in today's video, we are going to be sharing together a way that I use to find daily buyers every day on my chart. So, if you're a new trader or an intermediate trader and this has been your problem in the strategy you are using, watch this video until the end because I'll be sharing with you one of the ways that I always use that is proven to work, guys. Like 60% of the times this won't fail you. So be sure to watch this video, and if you're new here, subscribe because we share educational content about forex and other online businesses on this channel. So we are sure to provide you value in the area that you need. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So when you want to trade, because we are day traders, and you want to find where price might be leading to the next day, or you want to find a bias, as they say, a bias where to trade to. So what you always do is go on your daily time frame. When you go on the daily time frame, mm, we are going to mark two candlesticks. So you are going to mark the candlestick for the previous day, then the candlestick for the day, let's say today. So we want to find where price might be heading to tomorrow. So let's say this was the candlestick for today. We have our week here. This is our week. So now what we want to know is where might price head to the next day. So what we are always going to do is to know how the candlestick works. So if you trade anything like accumulation, manipulation, distribution, you know that when the candlestick opens, immediately when the candlestick opens, we always have somewhat of a consolidation. And when we have somewhat of a consolidation, we always get a manipulation, then we get a distribution, then the price comes back again in somewhat of a consolidation again. So what does this mean? This is the structure. So let's say this is on the daily, let's say this is on the 1 hour time frame. So this means this is the candlestick we have on the daily. So this is where the price opens. Let's say, let me draw for you the candlestick. Price will open here on this level where we have a consolidation. Then price will come down to manipulate. So this is the daily candlestick being formed. Then after that, we shall have it come back, create a wick down. Let me put the wick such that you see it. It will leave a wick down. That was the manipulation wick. Then it will go up for this price, then it will come back again when it's crossing, and it crosses here. So it will also leave a wick here. There will also be a wick on top here. It will also leave a wick on top. Let me sorry. Sorry, my thing is freezing. So it will also leave a wick on top here. So that's how the daily candlestick is formed. So if you know this schematic of the markets, you know when the market opens on the daily, then this is happening on the lower time frames. So to find our daily bias, we shall have to consider this candlestick, this the way this candlestick forms. So if you want to find, these are two candlesticks, let's say these are two candlesticks for yesterday and today. So we want to find where the next day is heading. What we have to do is we shall mark the wicks of these candlesticks first. Let's mark this. Let me turn it to blue. Then I will also mark the wick of this candlestick here, like this. Yeah, so I will mark these wicks. So how do I find the bias then? On the daily, I know that price is going to open from here. Price will open from where this this body crossed. That's where the market will open from. Then it will go for an accumulation, manipulation, then distribution. So considering this one here, sorry, when I consider the way this is showing here, I will know that the price of today's candlestick has closed above the week of the previous day. So meaning the liquidity that we have for the next day is here on top here on this top week. So I know that price must come the next day or the next couple of days, depending on the market situation. It will come and take this liquidity here. So when I'm trading, I will be looking for anywhere in this body on the lower time frame where I have a point of interest to take price up here. So most probably the next day, they say the candlestick will open from here. Most probably the next day will be like the next day might come, go down for a manipulation phase, then go up uh, and close somewhat like that. So that's how I find the daily bias. Then what happens when I come on my charts and find that yesterday's candlestick was this. Let's say yesterday's candlestick was this. Then yesterday's candlestick was like this. Then today's candlestick today's candlestick opened from here. Obviously, as we said, the candlestick opens from where the previous one closed, then comes down. Let's say it came up, it took out this liquidity of the high of the previous day and then closed inside. So our candlestick is in this format. Let's say our candlestick is in this format. Sorry, if our candlestick is in this format, then we have a wick because price took out that. And now you see when we draw our our line here on the wick, we see this. We are seeing that this price has now crossed inside the wick of this. So what do we think of the bias? Now the bias will change because we are seeing that nobody is above this previous day's wick. So the next day, most probably the next day, we are targeting this liquidity down. So where candlestick's body opened was here, it might open like this, then somewhat go up, and then at the end of the day we must have price delivered into this liquidity down here. So that's one of the ways that I always use to find my daily bias. I know I'm not the best at explaining, but if you got the concept, then that's good. And if you are confused somewhere, tell me so that I can make for you another video so that I elaborate more on this point. But this is one of the best things that you can use in your trading strategy, and most people use it, but I don't see it being spoken about most of the times. But this is the way that most people find the daily bias of the day. So if you use this on your daily time frame and you have the bias, you know that price might be going down, you can integrate in your strategy and use the points of interest, use anything so that you can get a good entry to that price delivery point. So that was it for this video. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel because we are going to be uploading more videos, and we are planning to do some giveaways, guys, to our subscribers when we reach 100 subscribers. Yeah, so be sure to subscribe so that you can be one of the winners maybe. So that's it for this video. Have a nice time. I wish you well, guys.